Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be discussing geometric probability. Okay, what is probability in geometry? The probability that a randomly chosen point lies in a region is given by this formula. In geometry, probability is equal to the area of the favorable region over the area of the entire region. Okay, take a look at this figure. This is divided into 4 equal regions. So, the area of the entire region is 4, since this is divided into 4 equal regions. Okay, now, what about the area of the favorable region? Since one region is shaded, then it means probability is 1 over 4. If 2 regions are shaded, then probability is 1/2. Okay, what about this figure? What is the probability of scoring 9 points? Okay, probability of scoring 9 points. That means you have to hit this region to score 9 points. Okay, to find the probability of scoring 1 point, we have to know the area of the favorable region over the area of the entire region. Okay, let's find first the area of the entire region. This is a circle. We know that to find the area of a circle, that would be equal to pi times radius squared. So in here, radius would be from here to this point. So 1, 2, 3, 3. So 3 squared, that would be 9. 9 times pi, then that means the area of the entire region is 9 pi. Okay, what about the area of the favorable region? Okay, to find the area of the favorable region, we have to know the area of this bigger region, okay, minus the area of this smaller region to find the area of this shaded part or of this part. So, the area of this bigger region would be, radius is 2, so 2 squared is 4. 4 times pi, that would be 4 pi. Minus the area of this smaller region. So area would be 1 times pi, or 1 squared is 1. 1 times pi is pi, so this is minus pi. So 4 pi minus pi over 9 pi. So this is now 3 pi over 9 pi. And if we are going to simplify, then we have here 1/3. So this is now the probability of scoring 9 points. Okay, what about the probability of scoring 10 points? So if it's 10 points, then you should hit any of this point in this region. Okay, so total area, or the area of the total, or the area of the entire region would be 9 pi. What about the favorable region? So area of the favorable region is pi. So it means probability is 1 over 9. Okay, moving on. Let's answer the simple questions. The first one is, as shown in the figure, two circular targets A and B are divided into 5 equal parts and 8 equal parts respectively. When one arrow is shot at each target, what is the probability that arrow hits the region labeled with an odd number on target A and a region labeled with an even number on target B? We will assume that the arrows do not miss the targets and do not land on the boundaries. So here on target A, odd number on target A. So this target is divided into 5 equal regions or parts. If it's an odd number, then we have here 1, 3, and 5. So probability is 3 out of 5 or 3 over 5. What about on target B? Even number on this target. So if it's even number, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. So this is 4 over 8. And if we are going to simplify, this is 1/2. Okay. We will be using these two probabilities together. So we have to multiply. So this is now equal to 3 over 10. So this is the probability of this question or problem. Okay. Let's also answer this another question or problem. When one arrow is shot at a circular target as shown in the figure, what is the probability that the arrow hits the shaded region? So where are the shaded regions? This is shaded. This is also shaded. We have here also shaded, shaded, and this is also a shaded region. Okay, to find the probability, if you are going to take a look at this figure, okay, as I mentioned, this part is shaded. This shaded part is just the same or equal to this part. So this shaded, we will move in this part. This shaded part is also the same or equal to this part. So let's move also this one here. This shaded part is equal or just the same to this part. So we will be moving this shaded part here. And this is shaded. So as you can see, this region is now shaded. This circle is divided into 4 equal regions or parts. So that means that the probability arrow hits the shaded region would be 1 over 4. So this is now our answer.